This is a story that I had never shared with anyone except for my brother and my mom and my sister as well. But my sister just told my mom that I might be lying and I'm young. So I felt scared and I felt like Klampe mangase kuthiwa ngiyamtshela, she would actually tell my dad and they would both confront me like, okay. So angisakhumbula ukuthi nganginangaki, but I do even get flashbacks till today. So this one time I visited my dad with my sister and obabami wesaqashe kulo one room. He's still renting out places and akafuna ukwakha but usebenza Transnet. That's none of my business. So wekade eqashile simvakashelile with my sister, and I do remember that his wife, cause wangathi umuntu owekade sanda kushada, unkosikazi wakhe lo ayekade ehlala naye endlini, ngazi ukuthi wekade umuntu osebenza esaluni and wabuya late that particular night. So my dad would always shout at us asilale when it comes to ebusuku nje mawukuthi suke sihleli nabo, and that's the time where they get to do the deed, yabo. So I remember that one time unkosikazi wakhe was not around and ngathi wabuya late emsebenzini from uqhina umuntu, kusho ukuthi wasebenza kwaze kwashaya nje ikhathi zasebusuku zokulala. And then I slept with my sister on the floor and he slept with unkosikazi wakhe on the bed. So the room wasn't big enough, but ngiyakhumbula ukuthi before the wife actually came home, my sister was sleeping on the side of the bed and I was sleeping on the other side. So my sister normally falls asleep very fast and meselele wengezwa lutho, yabo. So ngesikhathi elele, my dad called her quite a few number of times. Ngase ngakhuluma mina ngathi mina no ulele, wathi awulele ngani woza la. Ngisukume ngina ngempela ngiyekena, and he's like awulele ngani, asukume to shake off my sister. Usisa melala welala ubuthongo tho. And then asethi mina, oh ulele wozake. And then afike athi ngigibele embedeni. Mangibela-ke embedeni, I actually noticed that my dad was wearing nothing, and I did not understand ukuthi yini le akade ezongenza yona. So he tells me to lie on the bed and he takes off his thing, and I actually saw that it's actually like big. And then athi angivule amathanga and he rubbed his thing on me. And then he tries to do a penetration. Kushuthi kungenzeki. Ayenze lento nje continuously. I think wayenza until he did that thing asaqeda, and then he told me to not move, wahamba urole tissue, and then he wiped me. Yabo mangithi wiped wangisulisisa, and then emva kwalokho wafika wangitshela ukuthi angihambe ngiyolala. Ngambuza ukuthi mina yini le kade yenza, wathi hey ungatsheli umuntu, like umuntu like ubekade khuluma aggressively ukuthi ungatsheli umuntu lento engiyenzile or ngizokushaya, yabo. So fine, I kept quiet. I was still confused as to what is he doing, but I did not care much because I didn't know ukuthi vele it's wrong that time. So kuthi nje ensukwini I just have like a hot feeling nje ngaphansi, and I had rash. I had to tell my mom ukuthi ma ngiyashisa la ngaphansi and ngiyancinza, and my mom was like, let me see, because wafika waqala ngigcoba uVaseline on the first time, and then the second time I went back and she was like, hey bo, what happened to you? Like ubano kade kuthinta, because you just have a rash all around nje le ndawo le. Like what happened? Khona umuntu okuthintile la. Ngathula ngambuka wathi indaba khona umuntu okuthintile yini, ngathi mina mhlawumbe ubaba. And then she was like, huh? Why would your dad actually do that? Ukuthintile ngempela. My sister was there and she was like, hayibo ma usibahla uqamba manga umthinte nini ngoba besindawonye. And then I kept quiet till this day. Uma was worried and she really wanted me to speak out, but I was actually scared. Wenkani? I was actually scared on the fact that mhlampe uzongiconfronta or angithethe, because my dad is always like that nje. Mesuke ezokhuluma nawe usuke ezo-guilt tripper, azokwenza ukuthi ufile ngathi uyislima nje, yena nje uright, but akasondle sonke njalo lo muntu. So as of today, I still get ama-flashbacks akanjalo. I hate him, but I never told him that I hate him because I know what he did. I think masithiwa ngiyamconfronta manje or ngiyamtshela ukuthi I know that ngesikhathi ngisemncane when you did 1 or 2 or 3 engaphika ibhadi because akuve phika. And worst part, about lo muntu lo akasondli sonke. I think there's 21 of us now. He recently has a child futhi nakhona encane ekade sitshengisa wena. I think it was a few years ago nje, 2 or 3 years ago. But I hate that man with passion. Like angimfuni eduze kwami. And I really never understood ukuthi why umuntu esebenza translate for more, I think it's more than 30 years manje esebenza khona, and he doesn't even care to at least asithumelele sonke 21 of his kids i-Brypack. It's something he would never do. Futhi-ke mina nje, on my case, it's a special case because he knows that I do not like him, and angifuni nje whenever mawukuthi nje kwenzekile mhlampe ngambona or wafika nobhuti bami, because ngizowehla ngeke ngehli efike nobhuti bami, ngingamthatha ngimbhekisele. Futhi nje I've last seen him, I don't remember, futhi I think I was in grade ba, it was 2-3 years ago, futhi not even 2-3-4 years ago, 5 angisazi, but nje wayesenawo umkhuba ukuthi afike ekhaya because uyazi ukuthi uma akasekho, afike ekhaya nje azoba kufrandi anokhe. And when I tell you that unokha aze ahambe, sometimes I'd even call the police or call the nearest person ongakwazi ukungisiza because I don't need him anywhere near me. I hate him deep because lento ayenza kuyisithombe nje esingasoze siphinde sasuka. So nje futhi-ke guys, makukhulunga ngendaba yobaba ababolile, ayishem unokho uyayenza.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Yo guys, labanye bobabe, they are so evil. Imagine your own father, your biological father akwenda into lefana nalena. It's just so shocking. Yo, cha guys, kubuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga, and kukhombisa nje ukukhohlakala konke lo, cause why unemfati. And like when I always wonder ukuthi yate labantu labagrepha, it's not like they don't have girlfriends or wives, that they do, but somehow vele bakhohlakele bade khohlakali nje. Yo guys, I'm just sending healing to this lady. This is just a sad and traumatizing story. I'm sending healing to her, and Nkosi yami ngifisa ngazuthi angaphola ngisho nasenhlitweni, because lo landlule kuko kobuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. Na wonke nje umuntu lokandlula kwento lefana nalena, I'm sending healing to you all. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.